Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Starfall Weather and Grow a Garden 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Now the Starfall Weather is coming to the game, and just like the other weathers in Grow a Garden, it comes randomly to the game, and when it happens guys, you'll be able to get the Starstruck Mutation. And yeah, basically you just need to wait until your crops or your plants get the Starstruck Mutation. And I'm going to show you how the Starstruck Mutation looks like. Okay, this one, it has like purple color on it, and of course if your fruits get a mutation, the value will be higher. And this Starstruck Mutation is beautiful guys. I'm going to show you the fruit with Starstruck Mutation. Okay, this one. Oh, so pretty. Okay guys, and that's all about this Starfall Weather in Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.